Welcome to Sunrise Ford Parts. We ship genuine OEM Ford parts from our dealership to your door. These molded mud flaps and splash guards protect your Maverick's lower body from road debris, mud, and snow, keeping your paint protected and preventing rust damage before it starts. These fit 2022 through 2026 Ford Mavericks, including all popular trims like the XL, XLT, and Lariat. Your Maverick's lower body takes constant mud and snow spray. These molded guards deflect debris before it damages paint and starts rust. OEM splash guards fit your truck's exact geometry and suspension height, unlike aftermarket guesses. Ford engineered these specifically for your Maverick, so you get protection where it matters most. Visit our website to shop our full catalog of genuine OEM Ford parts, backed by warranty and a fitment guarantee, with fast shipping right to your door. Not sure if this part fits your vehicle? Give us a call with your VIN ready and we'll confirm you have the right part. Your VIN is located on your dashboard, door jamb, or registration card. Those 17 digits tell us exactly what vehicle you drive. Shop with Sunrise Ford Parts, genuine parts every time. Don't settle for aftermarket.